Hello, and welcome to the Arcserve Unified Data Protection 7000 Series Appliance Technical Overview. We are very proud to announce the release of a revolutionary new solution from Arcserve. This release is really far more than just an evolution for Arcserve into a purpose-built backup appliance. It's truly a revolution. The Arcserve UDP appliance is simple to deploy, easy to use, and yet far more technologically comprehensive in terms of feature functionality than its competitors in this space. The Arcserve UDP appliance offers efficient next-generation data protection and availability. It features a quick wizard-based setup. Some early testers found that from box to backup, it took less than a half hour. Its unified management console includes simple plan-based data protection policies applicable to both physical and virtual sources. Technologies include source-side global deduplication, encryption, compression, and the ability to stand up virtual clones whenever we want, local or remote. And at any point in time, we have historical recovery points. All this even faster than traditional BMR methods. Application support includes Exchange, SQL, IIS, Active Directory, and many others. Operating system support includes Windows and Linux. Bring it all together with excellent reporting and alerting, and we have a very compelling offering. The Arcserve UDP 7000 series come in essentially three models: 7100, 7200, and 7300. The 2 and 300 models each have a V option, which supports on-appliance virtual standby. The main differences between the models are capacity, memory, and the ability to house virtual standby. It's important to note here that there's a clear distinction between storage capacity, usable backup capacity, and protected source data capacity. We are proud of the fact that we use very little of the overall capacity for our onboard software. This maintains as much storage as possible for ongoing data protection. However, the most important number here is the protected capacity. That is, how much source data could we potentially store on the appliance. For example, the 7100 could potentially store up to 8 terabytes of source data if it's able to reach a certain amount of the duplication and compression. Later on, we'll learn how to determine which appliance will be the best fit based on the customer's requirements for historical revisions, change rate, and other factors. Other things to note in the specifications are the SSD drives, provided to ensure highly efficient duplication, and that each model has an external SAS port to allow for tape backup. When the appliance arrives, here's what's in the box with it. We provide you power and network cables, rail and rack mounting kit, and a quick start guide. The overall installations is really 5 steps. First, rack mount the appliance, connect the cables, boot it, run the appliance wizard, and begin to use UDP. During our beta process, our testers found that this process is quick, simple, and easy to manage. So let's get started. Note the default appliance settings listed here. The appliance operating system is Windows 2012 R2. There are some standard resources and ports enabled, as well as a firewall. The appliance is a 1U rack mountable device. Rail installation is designed to be simple, and the rack mounted kit is intended to support a variety of configurations. Cables are included for power and networking, and the Quick Start Guide includes clear instructions to make it easy to understand what's in the box. Note that this device includes an external SAS port for connection to a single drive tape backup device. There's also an IPMI port for remote management. Now once the unit has been plugged in and turned on, the setup wizard immediately begins. That's it. Thanks for watching. This concludes our video. For more information on the features and benefits of this appliance, please read the Arcserve UDP Appliance User Guide or visit the Arcserve Unified Data Protection Knowledge Center.